Yo, it is Free Game Friday, brought to you by Wincrease.com. I am Extro. Let's get into this week. I got a secret for you. This secret is best applied if you're in the beginning of your trading / investment journey. It can still be applied afterwards too. Now, you can pretty much overdo anything, and this applies to your trading or investment, and it is called overtrading. This week's secret is stop doing it. It's going to kill your account. It is a secret, silent killer, and you do not need to continue doing that. And if you don't know you suffer from this, let me check this off for you. Do you find yourself making a profit and then instantly reinvesting that profit, and then that profit turns into a loss? You probably suffer from this syndrome. As your Free Game Friday, we are out.